What is up, guys? Grax here. In this video I'm going to be doing I'm going to be surprising my dogs. It was my dog's birthday yesterday, so I didn't get them anything, but today I'm going to go to the warehouse. Oh, Orangutan wants some attention. I'm going to go to the warehouse and I'm going to get the dogs a surprise. I'm not going to tell you the surprise is. It's not really like a massive surprise, it's just a surprise like what any dogs really like. So we will be going to the warehouse soon, and I just got to go to my house and pick up the money. So yeah, this is my bird. I have nothing else to do, I'm just waiting. This is my bird. My granddad's bird, actually. It used to be mine. She used to be mine. But yeah, Orangutan used to be my bird, but we had too many dogs and cats, so we had to give her to my granddad. But yeah, my granddad got new furniture. So he got Lazy Boys. Yeah, this is the only camera angle I can get. And then you got another one. If you guys can see in the background, this is what he used to have. Yeah, but these couches are a lot nicer now. But I will see you once we're at my place. You guys, before we leave, I forgot to do this, but I'm going to give 2 notification shoutouts. So shout out to Daniel Collins and shout out to Marty Rogers. So now we'll see you once we're out the house. Alright guys, we just got to my house and we're just getting what we need. No one's here. Oh, I think my brother's here. Where did Mum put it? Sorry guys, just looking for something. She may put it in my room. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Got the money. Might take a few extra dollars. Okay, I'm just gonna go tell my brother. Okay guys, got the money. Now I need to growl the dogs because they're being annoying. So give me a minute. Okay guys, I'm just about to get in the car. I've got the money, and I sound like someone who's just got a heist. No, it was on my desk. So, here's my granddad.
Hello.
So I'll pick the vlog back up when we're at the warehouse. Alright guys, we're just at the warehouse now, and there's an owl in that window, but there actually is, look. You guys probably can't see it, but it's over there. So we are going to go into the warehouse and we're going to go look around, and you guys will see what we are getting for the dogs. So yeah, we'll see you once we're in the warehouse. Okay guys, we just got in the warehouse and we are looking at the tennis balls, but we got each tennis ball is $1.50, but how much are these? We can get 3 tennis balls for $2.50.
That's cheaper than those.
And for these, if you get 2, it'd be $3. you get 2 of those, it'll be $3. So I think we're gonna go with these, and there's 3 of them. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull them out and I'm just gonna put them on the ground. Need to add it up. So 2, 5.
That's enough. It's 9 balls there.
Yeah, I know, but
That's enough. What?
okay, guys, this is.
That's 12 balls.
Yeah, I know, but Granddad. Okay, guys, we're getting this. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15. I'm not a very good counter. 18. 21. 24 balls for the dogs. And I'm gonna look weird carrying around all these, but it's just over there, so it'll be alright. Yeah, I'll see you guys once we're out of the way. Alright, you guys. My granny can't stop laughing, and I felt so awkward buying all of these. I got 8 packets of 3 tennis balls. My granddad wouldn't shut up about it. Nah, I'm joking. Nah, but we're just about to go get something to eat, and this bag is like more than halfway full of tennis balls. So we're just gonna go get something to eat, and yeah. So, yeah, lock the car because I don't want anyone getting those tennis balls. The reason I got them so many tennis balls was because I missed out on their last birthday. And I didn't get them anything, and I just carried on with my normal day. So that's why I'm doing this. And yeah, I thought it'd be nice for them. So we're just in the food place. Okay, guys, I just got back in the car. We just ordered food. So we have got this many balls. Alright, we've got 8 tennis balls, 8 packets of tennis balls. So I need to put these keys somewhere. I'll put them on that seat. So I want to see what my dog's reactions are. This is basically the only reason I got these tennis balls. Was to make my dogs happy. I really want to open the tennis balls now, but I'm not going to. I will wait till we get home and I'll show you their reaction. Just got some food. Got some 2 snack boxes. We're gonna go home and then we'll eat this. We're going to my place where my dogs are, of course. We'll go home, eat this, and then we'll surprise the dogs with the tennis balls. Or wait, should we do the tennis balls first or eat first?
I don't know.
Should we eat first?
We'll start eating now.
Yeah, okay. We're just going to start eating now, and we'll see you guys once we're at home. You guys, just so you know what we got this. Go to the, if you live in Te Awamutu, go to the Sunrise Bakery. Sunrise Bakery. Go there. It looks like this. Go there. There's the best chips and best chicken. Actually, no. Delicious has the best chicken. But anyway, have a chip. Okay. Hot. Okay, I'll see you guys once we're at home. Okay, you guys, just finished my food. That was greasy as. My fingers were really greasy. Look how much grease is at the bottom. Look. So I'm gonna have to pack all these balls into the bag, and then we're gonna put them into a box, and then we're gonna tip all the balls all over the place. So, to be honest, the dogs will probably play in the box more than they'll play with these. I hope that's not the case. I don't think it will because my dogs, I reckon they're probably going to freak out when they see these. I think I might start opening them and put them into the bag, and then we'll go from there. So I'll see you once we are finished opening. I might be able to open them with one hand. Yeah, this is very difficult. You guys, sorry for not uploading, by the way. I've just been quite busy lately. I was going to do a video at my mum's work, but she might get in trouble for that, so I didn't. This is going to take a while. When Nana comes to see us, because me and Nana take the dogs for walks, but when Nana comes to see us, I'm going to show her this video and I'm going to show her what the dog's reactions were. Funny story about Benny, well not really funny, but here's a story about Benny. We were at the dog park and he fell into the river. If you live in Te Awamutu, if you know where the music park is, he fell into the creek next to it, and I didn't know what to do, so I quickly jumped into the creek, and he didn't want to get out, so I had to like pull him, and he was like biting me a lot. And then eventually he got out, and I kept on like standing and like putting my hands on thorns. And then we had to go home, and then we never took Benny back to there. Because he loved to go in water, sort of. Alright guys, almost done. I have to clean up the mess and then put it in the rubbish bin at home. So, almost done. This is what we've got so far. Just a huge mess. Okay. One more packet after this. I know this is a bit of a boring video, but once we get back to my place, I reckon it's gonna be a better video. So this is just something nice I thought I would do for the dogs, and yeah, so this is what I thought I'd do, and yeah. So, done. These are all the tennis balls. Clean up all the rubbish. Put all the tennis balls in the bag. It's gonna take a while. So you guys, if you want a notification shout out, put in the comments #Grax, and I'll give you a notification shout out in my next video. And I don't know when that will be, maybe tomorrow if I feel up to it. Well, if I do a video. One more ball. Actually, no, never mind. Okay, so we've got 24 balls in there. I'm not sure if the dogs will get scared of the balls when a ball hits them. But this is what we've got. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the rubbish and then I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, we just got home and we just pulled up into the driveway. Got the tennis balls. So we're going to, sorry I look creepy right now. We're going to go inside and hopefully the dogs don't see me. We're probably already at the door. So I'm gonna go past. Okay, they didn't see me. Just got home in the house. So we're gonna put the balls. Okay, we're gonna put all the balls in here. So we've got the tennis balls. I'm just going to do this a lot faster. Give me a second. Okay, we've got the tennis balls in here. I'm going to wait till my granddad gets here. And then I'm going to go see my brother. He doesn't want to be on camera when he's asleep, so I will show you once I'm out. Okay guys, he's still asleep, so I'm gonna go and get my granddad. So he's gonna watch the video once I upload it. So, granddad, you ready? You ready? Hello. Oh, I was so excited to see me. Come here. You ready, granddad?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, I just told them what's going on. So I just emptied all the balls into the bucket. So all you gotta do is point the camera and look at where I am. Can you hold the phone for me, please?
Oh, I don't know.
Leave your shoes on because we're going to be going outside. Oh, would you be able to hold the balls, please? So got all the balls in there. Don't let them see it. Don't let them see the balls because I want to make this a surprise.
I see.
I'm just...
Happy birthday to you. You can sing a song.
Okay, we're going to sing a song to them.
You are.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benny and Boo. Happy birthday to you. Benny, Boo. Yeah, Benny got one. Look at Boo's going crazy.
What? Play with your balls.
Come on, go get it. Go on, Benny, go get it. Oh, they're so happy. Boo, go get it. Oh. They're so excited. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh. It's not good.
Oh, you got a ball. Oh, good boy.
So you guys, that was what I saw this on a video and I thought it would be awesome to do this for the dogs. Since I haven't done something like this before, I thought it'd be a good present for them. So this is, he's going crazy for the ball.
Yeah. That?
So this is basically, I don't know how to explain it, but look at where all the balls went. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over there, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Where's the other ball?
You lost it.
Oh, 23. 24. Alright, so we got 24 balls scattered everywhere. The dogs are pretty happy. Might have to go get it.
Yeah.
Benny almost fell off the porch. Benny, do you like your birthday present? Do you like your birthday present? Hey.
Oh, that's very good. Dogs are happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good boys. Go get a ball. Go get a ball. he has 23 balls around him, so he goes for the one ball that Boo has. Go get a ball. Get a ball. Go get a ball, Benny. Go get a ball. Get a ball. Get your ball. I don't know what to do. But yeah. Like I said, this is gonna be a vlog. And Benny's itchy. This is gonna be a vlog, so I'm not gonna end the vlog here. I know this has been long, but I thought this would be an awesome, not a prank, sorry, an awesome birthday present for them, since I have never done anything like this, and I thought it would be an awesome thing to do for them. And Benny's still got this on. Good boy. Benny, drop the ball, drop the ball. Boo does it. Benny, drop it, drop. Yeah, he doesn't like dropping balls. Drop.
Go on, little girl. Look at him.
Drop. I'll go get another ball. See if he does it. Drop it, Benny. Come on, catch. I'm trying to get them to catch the ball. Let's see if I can do this. Boo, Boo, catch it. Go on. Ah, Benny, go on. Come on. Let's try to catch the ball. Go on. Oh, Benny, you're so close. Benny. Come on. Oh, Benny. Come on, you'll get it. Benny, drop. Come on, get it. Ah, oh, he's so close. Drop it. Stay. Get it. Oh. Damn it.
Oh, now what? You just cramped in some dog food.
Yep. Catch it. Oh, that was a bad throw by me. Benny. Come on. Oh, he is close to getting it.
Really?
Come on. Good boy.
Oh, they enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well, I'll make a home for a while then, eh?
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can Have fun. Have fun, eh, Benny? I must give you his collar one. Well,
Sorry? Oh, yeah.
his tag, dog tag.
Yeah. You guys, I will go back out and play with them.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Hey, now I know where the balls are going.
Yeah.
Okay, see you later.
Bye, Granddad.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you too. Oh, yeah. Did I give you a change?
Oh, no. I don't think so.
No. Is that it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Very good. Don't spend it all at the one shop.
Okay. Bye.
You got enough balls. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Alright, guys. So that was. My dogs were pretty happy about that. And yeah, it was fun. And they enjoyed it. Which I'm going to go back out and play. This is going to be quite a long video, I just realised. But yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah, so I don't know if this will be a vlog, 'cause it's going to be a really long vlog otherwise. Be like a 40-minute vlog. But I might just have to cut it down. So this might just be like a birthday surprise. But I don't know, maybe. My granddad's about to go. Catch it, come on. Oh. Come on. Good boy. Come on, step. Come on. Come on. Ow, my finger. So this is basically what my dogs are like in the morning. They like to be played with. And yeah. They get lots of toys, but I don't think that they would expect this. I think they thought there's like a new dog in the box. But when I tipped it upside down, no, I don't think they knew what was in the box. But they did look quite excited when I brought the box out, so yeah. They were super hyperactive when I got the box, and yeah. So this is a really good video. I'm going to have to end the vlog here though. So thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe. And this is going to be Grex out.